Before we begin, here's what we'll cover in this video. We'll go step by step from the meaning of 이다 to real-life examples and a quick quiz. Let's get started. Welcome to Korean Grammar for Beginners. Today, we'll learn the most important sentence structure in Korean. 입니다, 이에요, and 예요. These expressions are used to say what something is, like I'm a student or this is coffee. In Korean, the basic verb for to be is 이다, pronounced 이다. This is one of the most important verbs you're learning Korean. Just like we say is or am in English, Koreans use 이다 to say what something is or who someone is. Here are some examples. 책이다 means it is a book. 학생이다 means he is a student or she is a student. 입니다 is the formal version of 이다, pronounced 입니다. You'll hear this in public announcements, news, presentations, or formal speech. We use 입니다 when speaking formally or respectfully. It's polite and professional, and the sentence structure is simple. Just take a noun and add 입니다. Here are some examples. 저는 선생님입니다 means I'm a teacher. 여기는 한국입니다 means this is Korea. 이에요 and 예요 are polite versions of 이다. They're pronounced 이에요 and 예요. These forms are used in everyday conversations with people you know. If a noun ends in a consonant, use 이에요. If it ends in a vowel, use 예요. These are polite but more casual than 입니다. Here are two examples. 이거는 물이에요 means this is water. 저 사람은 의사예요 means that person is a doctor. In Korean, grammar changes depending on the final sound of a word. This is called Batchim, and it means the final consonant sound. If the word ends in a consonant, we use 이에요. If it ends in a vowel, we use 예요. Let's look at two words. 학생 ends in a consonant. So we say 학생이에요. 의사 ends in a vowel, so we say 의사예요. This is a simple rule, but it's very important for sounding natural in Korean. Here's a side-by-side comparison. 학생 ends with a consonant, so we say 저는 학생이에요. 의사 ends with a vowel, so we say 저는 의사예요. That's how you apply the Batchim rule in real conversation. Let's compare two styles, 입니다 and 예요, 예요. They mean the same thing but sound different depending on the situation. 입니다 is formal and respectful, while 예요, 예요 are polite and casual. You'll hear 입니다 in settings like presentations, interviews, or news. It sounds serious and respectful. On the other hand, 예요 and 예요 are more commonly used in daily conversations. They're still polite, but sound more relaxed and friendly. Let's look at some examples. 저는 선생님입니다 and 저는 선생님이에요. Both mean I'm a teacher. 이것은 우유입니다. and 이거는 우유예요. Both mean this is milk. The choice depends on the level of formality, not the meaning. Now let's see how these expressions work in real-life conversations. We'll look at two short dialogues using 입니다 and 이에요 and 예요 in context. Here's a formal situation. 자기소개 부탁드립니다. 자기소개 부탁드립니다. A says, 자기소개 부탁드립니다, which means, please introduce yourself. 저는 미국 사람입니다. 저는 미국 사람입니다. And B replies, 저는 미국 사람입니다. I'm American. Notice the use of 입니다 to sound formal and polite. Now let's look at a casual situation. A asks, 이게 뭐예요? What is this? B answers, 커피예요. It's coffee. This time, we're using 예요, which is polite but casual. Let's test what you've learned so far. Try filling in the blanks and choosing the right answers. Try filling in the blanks. Number 1. 저는 학생. I'm a student. The correct answer is 이에요 or 입니다. So the full sentence is 저는 학생이에요, which means I'm a student. You could also say 저는 학생입니다 in a more formal context. But since 학생 ends with the consonant, 이에요 is the polite form we use in daily conversation. Pronunciation 학생이에요. Number 2. 이 사람은 친구. This person is a friend. The correct answer is 예요 or 입니다. So the full sentence is 이 사람은 친구예요, which means this person is a friend. You could also say 이 사람은 친구입니다 if you want to sound more formal. But because 친구 ends with a vowel, 예요 is the polite and natural choice in daily speech. Pronunciation 친구예요. Number 3. 저기요, 여기가 도서관. Excuse me, is this the library? Correct answers 이에요. So the full sentence is 저기요, 여기가 도서관이에요? Which means, excuse me, is this the library? The word 도서관 ends with a consonant, so we use 이에요. Since this is a polite question in everyday conversation, 이에요 is the natural choice. Pronunciation 도서관이에요. Let's review what we've learned today. Number 1. The verb 이다 means to be in Korean. Number 2. 입니다 is formal and used in professional settings. Number 3. 예요, 예요 are polite and used in everyday conversations. Number 4. Use 예요 when the word ends with a consonant. Number 5. Use 예요 when the word ends with a vowel. Here are a few quick examples to remind you. 학생이에요. I'm a student. 의사예요. He's a doctor. 우유입니다. This is milk. Great job! You've just learned one of the most important grammar patterns in Korean. Make sure to keep practicing and review the dialogues from earlier in this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more grammar lessons.